I can do an imitation of a man who's feeling good. I can talk a lot like someone who's not misunderstood. I can go to all the places where the happy people stay. But without you here beside me, I'm an actor on the stage. There's a drunk in every graveyard, there's a ghost in every bar. I'm drinking in the moonlight, wondering where you are. Give me just a phone call, let me know that you're okay. I see the curtain coming down for an actor on the stage. Oh, I miss you, you know I'd kiss you. I was your man. I've been through it, and I can't do it again. Well, you got your explanations that I don't understand. I once believed in magic, but now I know it's sleight of hand. The things we say just float away, they're not words on a page. You're living in a storybook, and I'm an actor on a stage. light and a garden hose. All my buddies and their wives have a big barbecue on the 4th of July, and a cheap guitar so I can play a little melody. It don't sound like much, but it sure is heaven to me. No, it don't sound like much, but it sure is heaven to me.
Riding out the waves, all the ebbs and flows used to bring me down. I'm stronger now. Used to toss me about. I'm wiser now. Feel the tide coming. Know the feeling now. Used to lose my ground. I'm wiser now. Used to toss me about. I'm wiser now. Ride it out. Ride it out. Ride it out. Ride it out. Learn to sail the storm. Know and have a plan. Used to get knocked down. I'm stronger now. Used to toss me about. I'm wiser now. Ride it out. 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 We find ourselves starting from scratch, brick by brick. No path carved out for us now. The brush is